Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XNET. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so you can go there and I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's very nice movement, certainly some updates here need to be made. First, I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that line still pertains, it's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible from an annotation standpoint. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas of support right there at 575, and that's what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, one, make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward. Definitely if the price can stay above 575. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below there, that implies everything's epically destroyed. Nothing like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above there, that would be a good sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 575 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Well, the first bit is nothing new, assuming you watched the past videos, but I've talked about this area here at 635 as resistance. And surprise, surprise, that's right where the price ultimately struggled on the day. But if the price can break through there and continue on up, next key overall level of resistance would be right up there at $6.70. So anyway, look at it. Very impressive movement today. Great volume. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.